Alright, dear audience, this time around we'll be calculating loss percent. The first working was on profit percent. This is loss percent. Now, remember in loss percent, the formula is cost price minus selling price equals to loss, to get your loss. Why has it suddenly changed from selling price minus cost price to cost price minus selling price? Because in loss, the amount you bought something is greater than the amount you are selling it. For example, you bought something for 100,000 and you are now selling it for 30,000. You have made a loss. You have not gained anything. No profit there. And this question 1b, we have cost price. Remember, cost price is 215, while the selling price is just 235, meaning that the cost price is greater than the selling price. So the person has made a loss. And if that is the case, the cost price will come first before your selling price. Now, the amount for cost price is 250. So you have 250 here. And the selling price is 235. 235. So what will be the loss? 250 minus 235. When you calculate it, you definitely get 15. Yeah, you get 15. 250 minus 235. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 3 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, so only that's 0. The answer is 15. So that is there. Now, can you remember what the guy said will be your cost price percent? I said that is constant. All the time, the cost price is always, I can't hear you louder. 100%. Cost price is always 100%. Now remember, we are looking for our loss percent. That's the question. We are looking for our loss percent. If that is the case, what do we do now? These two columns are complete. We have 15 here, but not have anything here. We are not looking for selling price percent. No, we are looking for loss percent. So what do we do again? Let's put an L there for loss. So cross multiply. Cross what? Multiply. Okay? Now, 250 times L is 250L. 250L is equal to 100 times 15. 100 times 15. You can say 250 times L is still the same thing as 250L, right? Now, how do we get our L? Divide both sides by what? The coefficient of L. And the coefficient of L here is what? 250. So divide here by 250 and also the other end by 250. So 250 here, 1. 250 here, 1. You are left with just your L, which is what you are looking for. This 0 can cancel this 0. What can go here? 15. 15 here. And sorry, 5 here, 5 can go here and 5 can go here. 5 here, 3, and 5 here, 5. Isn't it? 5 in 15 is 3, and 5 in 25 is 3. It's 5, sorry, it's 5. Now 5 can divide 5, and 5 can divide 10. Hence, 5 here is 1, 5 here is what? 2. 2 times 3, 2 times 3 is what? 6. That is your answer. So here is definitely 6%. Your L is now 6%. Let's check the answer. I believe this particular one, the answer was represented rightly. So, there you have it. Loss percent is 6%. But, all right. Number 1P, loss is 6%. Can we see that? Perfect. Perfect. Now, let's go to the next question, which is 1C. We have so many examples here that you can order for a worksheet where you practice and we guide you to remember practice makes perfect, right? Okay, let's try this. Number 1C, cost price is equal to 300 and the profit is 75. Here we are not giving selling price, we are just giving the profit. So if this is dealing with profit, obviously our spreadsheet will change from what it's known to be. Maybe we should use this side for calculating profit percent. Remember, I said profit means gain. Maybe I should just use gain. Gain percent. Gain percent. For your gain percent, you need, okay, for your gain percent, you need to change your spreadsheet. So instead of cost price, here you have your selling price minus cost price, which is equal to gain. Gain, right? You still have your amount here and your percentage here. Let's have the sales for selling price amount minus the sale for cost price amount, which will give us the gain, the sale for the gain amount. Then selling price percent, that is sale, minus the sale for the cost price percent, which will give us the gain, the sale for gain percent. Very easy. Very easy. Practice makes perfect, but when you perfect it, you become a master of the topic. Let's go back to the question. Let's go back to the question. The question is question number 1C, and if you can see it very well there, question 1C, the cost price is 300 naira and the profit is 75. So, the cost price is 300. The profit is 75. Remember what I said about the percentage for cost price. Again, what is the percentage for cost price? 100%. Cost price always 100%. Now, we are looking for our, what is the question? Cost price is given, profit is given. So here we are looking for profit percent, gain percent. Let's call it G percent. We are looking for our gain percent. I want to hear you, yes. What do we do next? Cross multiply. Again, cross multiply. Again, cross multiply. All right. 300, always go with this, the one that has your loom. Multiply those for us. 300 times G is 300G. Not 300 gram. 300 gain percent. Will now be equals to 100 times 75. Alright. We need to divide both sides by a number. Who can remind me? What number is that going to be? The coefficient of G, right? The coefficient of G, which is what is the amount? 300. Divide both sides by 300. Amazing. So what next? 300 cancels 300. We are left with just G here at this side of the working. Come this way. The last zeros can always cancel out. We are left with 75 over 3. And guess what? 3 can divide 75. How do I know? There is what is called rules of divisibility. We'll find a time to discuss that, and it's an interesting topic also. How do we know when 3 can divide 75? Add up the numbers. 7 plus 5 is what? 7 plus 5? 7. 12, yes. 7 plus 5 is 12, and 3 can divide 12. In the multiplication table of 3, you have 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12. So since there is 12 in the multiples of 3, it means 3 can divide 75. So let's try it and see. 3 here, 1. How many 3's can we get in 7? 2. Remember, 1. We put the 1 here, make it 15. How many 3, 15? 5. Aha. Your gain percent is 25%. So what you got G now, replace it with what? 25%. Equation. You are done. We are going to have more amazing time like this subsequently. Watch out for the next video, because here you catch fun and we catch fun, you catch fun, we all remain happy. Have a nice day.